Dear students, this video here to help you with the TED Talk presentation and also with the assignment 8, and could be also for the final projects. But mainly I'm focusing on your extra credit project for the TED Talk and also for the assignment 8. So this is pretty much this video is focused on. I'm hoping by the time you do TED Talk videos for those two activities, you'll be able to do the final project no problem. However, I'm going to use the Snipping Tool for from Windows 11 because it does really nice job to pretty much select the area you want to record the screen record from. So first I did my presentation, I did my work. This is one of my departments that I'm actually doing the work for, or the presentation for. The first thing I need to do is I'm gonna go into the presentation view. That's what I'm gonna do right here. Then I'm gonna go into the Snipping Talk, search for Snipping Tools. I'm sorry, you just type it in the search box and find Snipping Tool. And you have those multiple options. I want to do the video. When you do the video, you want to make sure your audio is also selected as well. So I'm going to click on new here and select my area, the one I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to do the taskbar, but this is good enough. Right here. Now I'm going to have two videos for you. Video the way I'm actually doing the TED Talk video and the TED Talk video itself. Okay, this is how I'm doing the TED Talk video, and you have the TED Talk video, the final project. But before I actually start recording, I want to make sure my microphone is on. So I'm gonna select unmute. Now it's working. So I'm gonna start talking about my research for the topics I provided to you for your TED Talk, for the extra activities, extra credits, and also for your assignment 8. So here we go. Now I'm gonna start talking. You can see the counter is actually running. You're not gonna see this in the final video of the TED Talk, but from how to do the TED Talk, you'll see that. So I'm talking about the criminal justice of Highline College. I can either click on a right arrow to go next, talking about who I am and what am I doing and all that information. Then I will use my right arrow since I've done this, so you don't see the mouse. So the right arrow from my keyboard actually advance your presentation. And you could start talking about your research, telling what you've done, and so on. Now, if you want to switch to online, then this is for a final project. You want to switch to your final project's social media platforms, then you can keep this on. You can click on the social media right here. You can switch to the social media. Tell them this is my final about the final project, and so on. And all this is being recorded. Once you're done, I stop. So now it's right here. My final project is right here. All I have to do, just do save, and I'm gonna save it TED Talk presentation, and I will go ahead posted on the group page to actually let the students evaluate it, or also evaluate it. So when you're done, I close it. I have both here the TED Talk presentation and the one I did in the class yesterday. Awesome. So I hope this has helped you how to use the very free nice form of screen recording form of TED Talk, of using Snipping Tool to do your TED Talk presentation for the extra credits and for your for your assignment, and also hopefully for the final project. Take care, and hope Please let me know if you have any questions.